Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present lesson on Introduction to Linux, one of the most important and widely used operating system in the world. Linux plays an important role in computer, server, mobile devices, cloud computing, and supercomputers. Understanding Linux is essential for students, programmers, system administrators, and IT professionals. What is Linux? Linux is an open source operating system developed by Linus Torvalds in 1991. An operating system acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware. It manages resources such as memory, processor, files, and devices. Unlike proprietary operating system, Linux is freely available and anyone can view, modify, and distribute its source code. Because of its flexibility, reliability, and security, Linux has become one of the most widely used operating system worldwide. The history of Linux begins 1991 with Linus Torvalds, a student from Finland, developed a Unix-like operating system kernel. He shared his work with the global developer community, and thousands of programmers contributed to its improvement. Today, Linux powers personal computer, web server, smartphone, cloud platforms, supercomputers. The Android operating system is also based on Linux kernel. Linux has many distributions, and features of Linux is open source. The open source code is freely available. User can study, modify, and distribute the software according to their needs. It is a multi-user system. Multi-user can work on the same system simultaneously. This features is especially useful organizations and universities. Linux has many distributions. CentOS is a Linux cluster which is freely available versions of Red Hat Enterprise Linux with the trademark removed. What is Linux? Linux plus GNU utilities equal to free Unix. So the author of Linux. Small program that do one thing well. We will not cover the commands below in this classes, but you need to know them. Process management and AGE clusters. Connecting a Linux host. You need a extreme emulator software that emulates an external consent using the SSH secure shell protocol. You are sitting at the client, either a Windows machine or even possibly a Linux machine. You are connecting to a server, typically a head or gateway node of clusters of computers. You will be working on the head node or submitting jobs to external node, all of them Linux machines. You can also connect Linux machine by using VNC to get whole desktop. It is supported by server. Connecting to a Linux host Windows client software. You need extreme emulation software that emulate external and connecting using SSH secure shell protocol. Windows. If you do not need windowing, PuTTY is good. Connecting to a Linux host to Mac OS X client software. macOS terminal is already installed. Why Darwin the system on which Apple Mac OS X is inbuilt. The derived 4.4a BSD Lite 2 and free BSD in the other word, the Mac is Unix system. Advantages of Linux is Linux offers several advantages. Free and open source, high security, excellent stability, support multitasking, efficient resource management, large community system, and suitable several and cluster computing.